Alrighty guys, y'all hear what's going on? I'm stuck in traffic. Look at all this traffic. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to get somewhere. It looked like a freaking tree. It looked like a tree fell. I don't know if it fell and hit a car or what, but that's my van right there. I'm stuck. Look at all this traffic. We are going nowhere fast. What the hell? I'll try to zoom in up there because all I see is a tree in the road. Like I say, I don't know if it fell on a car or what, but they can let us roll, man. They can let this left lane, and I'm in the left lane. Maybe he's about to, no, he's not. Oh my God, where you going, buddy? Ain't nothing you can do. You got police is up there. You want to go to jail? Look at all that traffic all the way back there. Man, I got things to do, people. Well, don't look like I'm gonna make my appointment. She gonna have to wait till another time. Cause I can't even turn around and go back the other way. Yeah, we stuck, we not moving. I'm trying to find out if that tree fell and hit a car. This left lane was moving, but it all of a sudden just creeped to a hole. So, I don't know, man. So again, I want to know, let me see if I can zoom in. It looked like a tree down there on the ground. But I, for the life of me, can't see if the tree on top of the car. I don't want to walk too far down there. Police might get a little upset. You know what I'm saying? So, but that tree, it looked like they start cutting on the tree. Like with a tree cutter. Yeah, so I don't know, man. I just want to freaking look at, oh, whoa. That's my red van right there. I'm zoomed in. Well, it don't matter. Because we ain't going nowhere. No time. Look at this side here. They just ride by laughing at our ass. Look, that guy right there just passed. He's chuckling like a mug. Alright, I'm making light of this because I don't see that nobody is hurt. Alright, I see ambulance, but I see fire truck, but that could be for a different reason. So, I hope we can get going soon, guys. Man, damn, this is crazy. Oh shit, here we go. You letting us by? Shut up! Shut your ass up. Alright guys, it's time to go. Now, let me see if I can get a better look as I pass. Because inquiring minds want to know. As long as I can get through. Now, what the hell happened? I don't see. What the hell going on? I see a truck. Oh, no! Oh, the truck fell over with lumber in it. Oh, no! Look. So that's what happened. Oh, damn. So nobody got hurt. Oh, somebody did get hurt. Y'all saw that car? All right. Oh, man. Woo! Here we go. All right, guys. I'm out. This was a little crazy. A nice, good 30 to 40 minute wasted. I got to go.